The three sides of a triangle are n, 4n minus 5, and 3n plus 1. If the perimeter of the triangle is 76 feet, what is the length of each side? The first thing we need to know is perimeter. So that is a formula. If you look up perimeter, either from your notes here or at the back of your guided notebook, flip back, turn to the very back and flip back a few pages, you will find a bunch of formulas. So perimeter of a triangle is one of them. Perimeter of a triangle is you add all the sides. So P equals A plus B plus C. Well, they've given us values for our sides. One of the sides is going to just be n. I'm just randomly assigning the values. I do happen to be going in alphabetical order, first, second, third, but they didn't specify, so you can assign them however you want. 4n minus 5 and 3n plus 1. Then they said that the perimeter is means equals 76 feet. So P is 76. So if we replace the letters from the formula with what we have here, we have 76 equals n plus, because this second term has more than one term in it, we're going to contain that within parentheses. That protects us if something had a multiplication on the outside of the term, something like that. And then our last one plus C is 3n plus 1. And in this case, the formula doesn't put a number outside or an exponent up here. So we're good. We can just drop those. It's important to know that you did ask yourself, should those parentheses be there? Now I'm looking for like terms. There's an n, here's an n, and here's an n. So 4 and 3 is 7. This n is 1, so we have 8n. Minus 5 plus 1. My signs are different, so I subtract them. Keep the sign of the number that was bigger. Solving for n, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. (76) and 4 is 80, equals 8n. Divide by 8. And I have n equals 10. Now I've gotten an answer. I'm going to go back and read the problem to make sure I have the answer, the whole answer they want me to have. So they said, what is the length of each side? I found one of them, but I need all of them. If n is 10, that's here, then that was my A. B was 4n minus 5. I'm looking up here. So B is 4 times n minus 5. Well, we now know n is 10. So I have 40 minus 5 is 35. And C was 3n plus 1. N is 10. So I have 30 plus 1, 31. I can do a quick check to see that these are numbers that satisfy the problem. This is not a hard and fast check, but it's a good way to quickly tell. Take your answers and add them together because we were talking about the sides of a triangle being a perimeter. We know that perimeter is your sides added together. So when we add these, they should equal 76. 10 plus 35 plus 31. So we're probably right. Our answers would be 10, 35, and 31.